Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenSearch Dashboards to ingest data with Logstash, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have OpenSearch Dashboards, OpenSearch, and Logstash installed on your system. Launch your OpenSearch service and make sure it is running properly. Next, open your OpenSearch Dashboards in your web browser. Access the Logstash configuration directory on your system. Create a new configuration file for Logstash, naming it something like logstash.conf. In the configuration file, start with the input section by defining your data source. Specify the input plugin according to the data type you want to ingest, such as beats or syslog. Next, proceed to the filter section to optionally transform or parse incoming data. You might want to use the grok filter to extract specific fields from your log data. After the filter section, define the output section to send the processed data to OpenSearch. Specify the OpenSearch output plugin, providing the URL of your OpenSearch cluster and the index you want to use. Make sure to include necessary authentication details if your OpenSearch cluster requires them. Save the configuration file after ensuring all details are correct. Open a terminal and navigate to the Logstash installation directory. Run Logstash with your configuration file using the command line. Monitor the terminal output for any errors during the startup process. Once Logstash is running, go back to OpenSearch Dashboards. Navigate to the Index Patterns section to create a new index pattern. Enter the name of the index you specified in your Logstash configuration. Confirm the time field if your data includes timestamp information. Click on Create Index Pattern to finalize the process. You should now see your newly created index pattern in the Index Patterns list. Navigate to the Discover section to start exploring the ingested data. Analyze the visualizations and dashboards to ensure data is being processed correctly. Fine-tune your Logstash configuration as necessary based on your data requirements. Repeat the process for any additional data sources as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.